Hello viewers, Chef Thomas here again. Today I will show you how to make pork, sage and chestnut stuffing. This is a must-have dish during this time of the year and it goes very well with roast Christmas turkey. These are the ingredients. We've got panko, sage, large Spanish white onion, blanc chestnuts, minced pork, and some seasoning. That's black pepper and some salt. Here we go again. Chop the white onion like this. Just cut them into small dices. After, grab the sage and remove the leaves. We don't need the stalk. Discard the stalk and you chop the sage just as the white onions. After that, grab the chestnuts and cut them into small dices like this. Once done, all your mise en place should look like this. And then later, I'm going to show you how to cook. Heat the pan on a medium heat, add rapeseed oil, fry the onions, sage and chestnuts for about 5 minutes. Just toast them slightly. And then later, you're going to add some salt and pepper. Make sure it is well seasoned. Then let the mix cool down for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to use a blast chiller which I've got at hand to cool it down quickly, and then later I'll show you how to mix it with the minced pork and then put it in the oven. Once the onion mix has cooled down, grab a small gastronome dish, place the raw minced pork, panko and sage mix. All the ingredients together, mix thoroughly and then check the seasoning. Once satisfied with the seasoning, grab a greaseproof pepper and aluminum foil, keep them on a flat surface, observe what I'm doing. Roll neatly, tie both ends, and then straight in the oven for about 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Done like this, you put it in the oven. Let it cook for 45 minutes, but after half an hour you keep an eye on it.